Well, after being stuck on US 93 for about 4 hours, we've made it through the police checkpoint and are now cleared to go over the dam. I kind of hoped to go over the dam during daylight hours, but that's not going to happen, so we shall see what we can see in the dark.
Hoover Dam, there it is.
That's the sign for Hoover Dam. But, you know, they're constructing the Hoover Dam bypass, which will scheduled to open in November of 2010, which means that this traffic will no longer be routed here anymore once that's open. After being stuck for 4 hours on a highway, I'm kind of like not caring what the speed limit is right now. Except I don't want to die. Really. I mean, that's... Oh, it's supposed to be 15 miles per hour, but... sorry, the autofocus is not focusing all that well right now, apparently. I'm not sure why it's not focusing well at the moment. Anyway, this is that's the bypass up there. You can see it's being built. Oh, well, no, you can't because the autofocus is crap right now. Alright. Well, this is all just not going nearly as well as planned, but what can we do? Oh, I see what's going on. The reflections are... well, this is the dam. Out there are the intake towers. Don't know if you can see them very well. Right out there, those are the intake towers. I'm going to come back here during the day, but I hoped to show this as we pass over in the day. Here's the intake towers right there. That's the Arizona side right there. I don't know if you can see the clock says Arizona time. And this is the Nevada side of the dam, those intake towers there. The autofocus would work correctly. There we are, off the dam. And that right there, you can kind of see the two pillars there on the left-hand side. That is the bypass being built. There's the other part of it over there. Well, this didn't go as planned. Sorry about that, but I'm now here in Nevada, continuing on US 93. The next stop will definitely be a restroom, because after 4 hours on the highway with no restroom, oh, there's a part of it right there. You can see the... No, you can't. There you go. I have to shift now.
You have to shit now.
No, I have to shift. The people in front of me suddenly stopped. It's like my car will not. If I have it in third gear, at that speed it wouldn't do anything. I have to shift, not the other thing, which we won't talk about either. Either way, the next restroom is mine. Alrighty. I guess you guys probably already guess where it is I'm going. After the restroom. After the restroom I'm talking about. I have to shift again. Dang it. Alright, that's all for now.